This app is making $830 every single day, and I copied it without writing a single line of code. I'm serious, not a one line of code came from me. Instead, I discovered what might be the most powerful AI tool on the planet right now, and it did all the heavy lifting. In just a few days, I was able to replicate one of the App Store's most successful invitation maker apps, complete with all their premium features, and even connected to Stripe to receive payments right away. This isn't some watered-down version either. We're talking about a fully functional app that looks and works exactly like apps making thousands of dollars per month. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I did it, show you the AI tool that made it all possible, and reveal how you can build your own money-making app even if you've never coded before. And before you think this is just another no-code tutorial, this goes way beyond that. What I'm about to show you is completely changing how apps get built in 2025. So if you ever wanted to launch your own app business but thought you needed a technical co-founder or expensive developers, this video is going to blow your mind. We're starting off by building something useful, an app that lets anyone create beautiful, personalized invitations without writing a single line of code. Our goal is to design it to be fast, intuitive, and functional. Whether it's a birthday, a wedding, a graduation, or something entirely custom, the goal is simple: help people design stunning invites with zero friction. Before diving into the UI, let's map out the full user journey. We want the flow to feel natural and easy right from the first step. So we ask the UI to break everything down, screen by screen, so we're clear on what needs to happen. It all starts with the welcome screen. This is the user's first interaction, and it sets the tone. The screen displays a short introductory message asking what type of event the user is creating an invitation for. They will be asked to choose what kind of event they're designing for: a wedding, birthday, graduation, or custom event. That one choice sets the rest of the flow in motion. Once the event type is selected, the app jumps to template selection. Based on what the user picked, they see 5 templates. Each template corresponds to the selected event type: a wedding, birthday, graduation, or custom event. After choosing a template, we land on the event details screen. This is where the user adds the core information for the invite. They enter the event name like Sarah and Jake's wedding, then pick the date and time using responsive input fields. For location, users enter the venue through a text input field, which may include location suggestions or map integration. Just below that, they decide whether to include an RSVP option or link out to a separate platform. With those details set, we move into the customization panel. Customization options include changing the color scheme, fonts, backgrounds, and adding images or icons. We finish at the preview and export screen. Users can review their invitation, make final edits, or export it as a high-resolution PDF for printing or sharing. Once the base version is working, we begin UI improvements. The homepage buttons are slightly off-center, so we ask the AI to adjust them. We also ensure the layout functions properly across all screen sizes: desktop, tablet, or mobile. Invitely should display properly on any device. And finally, we give the app its name. Invitation Maker was the working title, but we're officially naming it Invitely. Once the changes go live, we test the UI components to ensure all requested functionalities are working as expected. We now have a clear, working user flow and a solid foundation to build on. Now that the user flow is in place, we test key features like PDF export, email invitations, and social sharing. We will test the download PDF button. When attempting to use it, the process fails. No download is triggered and no confirmation appears. The same happens with the email invite. After inputting the event details and selecting send, the app returns an error: failed to send invitation. The UI is present, but the necessary backend logic requires fixing. We will bring this to the AI, request issue resolution, and run the updated version. Upon retesting, PDF export executes correctly. The email invite also sends successfully with proper confirmation feedback. The sending functions now operate as expected. Next is the Finalize button. The Finalize button currently has no response. We request that functionality be added to make it operational as part of the completion process. We will also request implementation of a social sharing feature. This includes a one-click share to social button and a field for adding a custom message. Once the update is complete, we test again. The Finalize button now responds. The social sharing feature is operational. The invitation can now be shared on social platforms. Preview and sharing functionalities operate as intended. With those working, we return to the customization UI, specifically the background and add graphics panels. Background styles initially do not apply when selected. Uploaded images appear in the panel but are not reflected on the invitation design until fixes are applied. After applying the fixes, background selections and uploaded images update the invitation as expected. At this point, the sign up and login buttons don't respond when clicked, so we begin by fixing those. While we're at it, we also want to add a splash screen that appears when the app first loads. The splash screen includes an animated logo as requested. After login, a transition plays that leads the user into the main interface. After logging in, users now land on a dedicated page called My Invitations. This is where all their saved invitations are stored. Users can return to past work, make updates, and keep everything organized within the app. With those changes in place, let's shift our attention to the actual creation tools. The app now includes a library of templates to choose from, each tailored to a specific type of event like weddings, birthdays, or graduations. Each design is customizable with a drag-and-drop interface that lets users modify key elements like backgrounds, fonts, colors, and images. As the user moves through the flow, they input details like the event name, date and time, location, RSVP preferences, guest list, and custom messaging. The app supports multiple languages, so the invite can be adjusted for different audiences. The interface updates as users make changes, offering a straightforward, code-free editing experience. Once the feature set is up, I run a test to confirm functionality. The templates load, elements respond, and the drag-and-drop system is active. From here, it makes sense to allow users to revisit and update any invitation they've already saved. On the My Invitations page, I select one of the saved designs and encounter a 404 error. The edit functionality isn't connected yet, so I guide the AI through the issue and request a fix. After applying the fix, the edit screen loads properly. Users can now make changes to saved invitations, adjusting design elements, updating event details, and saving these changes. While reviewing the edits, a few issues come up. When switching color schemes, the text under the event title doesn't change. The font color stays the same even though the rest of the design updates. Additionally, several color schemes, ocean blue, sunset orange, forest green, and berry red, don't apply correctly. We request changes so that all these text elements, including those beneath the headings, respond to the selected color scheme. After the fix, each theme now applies properly. Font colors adjust and the color selections function as intended. Next, we expand the visual customization tools. The app already supports photo uploads and basic editing. Now, we introduce a sticker and graphic library to offer more options for personalization. After the update, we check the customization panel. The sticker panel loads, but the assets don't appear. Attempts to use the drag and drop feature show inconsistent results. Interaction is limited and responsiveness needs improvement. We focus on ensuring that stickers appear correctly and can be placed accurately on the invitation. We ask the AI to correct asset loading and enable full drag and drop functionality for stickers. After applying the update, the stickers now load properly. However, dragging them reveals further limitations. They can be placed but not moved once dropped. We request an improved drag and drop system with bounding boxes around each sticker. This allows users to move and resize stickers freely. After implementation, each sticker includes a bounding box and users can reposition and scale them using click and drag methods. The drag and drop function now responds as intended, making sticker placement fully interactive. With core features functional, we implement monetization. Stripe integration allows users to upgrade to premium accounts and access advanced features. These premium tools include custom invitation dimensions, envelope design, RSVP card creation, budget tracking, guest management tools, and tracking and analytics. To activate Stripe, we retrieve the necessary public and private API keys from the Stripe dashboard and enter them into the app. Once connected, the app includes a billing and subscription page where users can upgrade. After testing the process, subscription and payment flows function as expected. Next, we refine a few visual transitions. When navigating to pages like My Invitations or the Premium page, we request a smooth transition effect to guide the user visually. A smooth visual transition now plays when navigating between pages as requested. As we continue testing the app, we observe the quick links in the footer. These point to sections like templates, how it works, pricing, and FAQ. We add dedicated pages for each. The templates link redirects to the main Create Invitation page. The other three links now open separate pages that describe how the app works, provide pricing information, and answer common questions. These additions complete the structure of the footer links, providing dedicated content for each section. After all of these updates, I take a final pass through the interface and record a walkthrough video to test the app from a user's perspective. The flow works from splash screen to login, invitation creation, saving, editing, sharing, and premium tool access. Everything is functional. From there, I prompt the AI to tighten up some design details on the homepage to make it more vibrant, welcoming, and user-friendly. And with that, Invitely is officially up and running. From the first screen to final export, every feature from customization to social sharing and premium access is now live and fully functional. It's clean, intuitive, and ready for real users. No code, no shortcuts, just a fully built app. If you've got ideas for new features or improvements, drop them in the comment section below. I'm always looking to take this even further. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.